The project name is weather prediction. So in this we are using LSTM, long short term memory model from the deep learning. So it is used to predict the temperature for the next 1 hour and 1 day and next for 1 week. So here we are predicting the temperature based on the historical weather data and providing the accurate short-term and the medium-term forecastings. So the LSTM model is built by using the TensorFlow Keras library. So this project is integrated with the weather app to get the current temperature through the API. So this is our block diagram. So weather data is like historical and real time, and then we will do the data pre-processing and we'll train the model of LSTM. After that, we will evaluate the model. In this, we are showing the convection matrix mean square error, mean absolute error, and the R2 score. Like that, we will display. At last, we'll predict that after 1 hour and after 1 day and after 1 week based on our current temperature. So this is our data set. Like this is a date time. So past 10 years, we taken the real-time data for the last 10 years and we are training it and used for the prediction. So this is our train code. First, we need to import the required libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, Cbound for the visualizations, and TensorFlow, sklearn. And then, so this is nothing that ensure the GPU usage is available. If it is available, it will run in GPU. If it is not there, means normal, it will run in CPU. So first we need to load the data set. So our data set name is Hyderabad.csv. So after that, we need to select the features. So we have a number of features in the data set. So in that, we are selecting max temperature and mid temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind speed, and wind degree. So after that, we are handling the missing values by using mean imputations. So and then we are normalizing the data by using min-max scalar. We are preparing the data for the multiple features like after 1 hour, after 1 day, after 1 week. So this is our function to create the data set. And we are splitting the train and the test set. For test, we are taking as 20%. For train, we are taking as 80%. And then we are building the LSTM model for the multiple output predictions. So this week until function we are keeping in model. So in this model, we are adding LSTM like layer 150 and 50 like that. After that, we are using dropout like 20% because it will help from avoiding the overfitting. So here we are keeping as dense 3. So like 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week like that. So after that, we are compiling the model. So this is for the callback. So here we are using yearly stopping and reduce LR. And then we are training the model by using epoch 75 and we are giving batch size as 128. So at last we are saving the model to the disk. After that we are predicting and evaluating. So here it will display that MSE, MAE and R2 score. So this is a mean square error and mean absolute error and R2 score. So this is our test code. So first we need to import the required libraries and we are loading the trained module. So here we are initializing the scalar like min-max scalar in scalar x and min-max scalar in scalar y. After that, we are loading the data for the scaling reference like we are taking features like max temperature, min temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind speed, and wind degree. And we are fitting the scale by using this data set. Like in weather x is there, right? We are fitting in scalar underscore x, and then this weather y dot value we are fitting in the scalar underscore y. So this is our function test model. So we need to give the inputs. After that, based on that, it will predict for next 1 hour and 1 day and 1 week what the temperature will be. So this is app.py like through Flask. Just I'm creating one simple web page. So here we are using Flask to integrate with the API. So through API, I'm getting the current temperature. So based on that, it will predict the next 1 hour and 1 week and 1 day. So based on training code, it will interact with the API to current temperature and it will predict it. So from class, I'm importing one, from class, I'm importing one class name as the class. So for this class, I'm creating one object and I'm keeping one name as double underscore name, double underscore. So if the name is equal to main means our app will get run. So here we are importing the required libraries and app is equal to flask of double underscore name double underscore and we are loading our model and we are initializing and with the scalar. So here we are loading the data set like features, whether X, whether Y like that. So this route, so here we are creating one route. So this is for the home page. And we are by using this get current weather function, we are getting that current temperature through this API in that weather web pages. So and then we are creating for the current weather. So this is for the predictions. So if like it will ask to enter the city name. So if you write like Chennai, like that means if it is there means it will go to that weather app and it will fetch the current temperature. And in test code we have six features, right? Based on that, it will work and it will give us output for it will give us 1 hour prediction, 1 day prediction, and 1 week predictions. So this is our page like weather prediction. First we need to enter the city. Like I'm entering as hello. So see here it is predicting like after 1 hour it will be 24 and after 24 and after 1 week it will be 23 based on now current temperature. So if you need to check any other means like I'm giving in Chennai and predict weather. So after 1 hour it will be 28 and after 1 day 28 and 1 week 28 degrees Celsius. Like based on that current temperature it will predict it. So now the Chennai's current weather is 30 degree. So after 1 hour, it will goes for the 28.88 degrees Celsius.